worked in Laura Ashley's for 25 years. Sadly, Laura Ashley's financial bureau made redundant last year. Luckily, Fashion-Enter came and rescued us. We're back enjoying sewing, making garments again, which we used to do years ago.
People don't realise how skilled you have to be a machinist. To be able to make your own clothes, to be able to take bits of fabric and stitch them together, it's amazing, isn't it?
It is, yeah, it definitely is. It's a skill, it's a lifetime skill as well. It's something that you learn and you carry right until the very end. It's excellent.
I started at Laura Ashley's when I was 18 and I'm 21 now.
And what people don't know is that Jess is our best stitcher. Stitching's great skill, isn't it?
Yeah.
What we're doing is we're attracting a new generation of people to come into stitching, and we would look to encourage anybody out there